Here we have an HP laptop that came from a pawn shop. Already took the back cover, and laptop does not power on. The power button does light up, but the laptop does not power on. CPU is that cold, not hot at all, which is an indication that the computer is not powering on. Even though the power button is on, the computer is not on. Let me plug the charger so I can show you what I mean. Charging cable is plugged in, and I have it plugged in to this power bank here. So we do see the light here on the charging port, and now the power button is off. When I press to turn it on, it turns on. Look at this. But the computer is dead. Computer is dead. CPU is cold, and everything on the board is cold. So the motherboard is not on. Where do we start? The first thing I want to do is inspect the board under a thermal cam. I want to see if there is anything obvious on the board or any indication where to start. Let's turn on the thermal cam and we'll monitor the entire board under the thermal cam to see if we see maybe an obvious hotspot. Right now, any hotspot that we see on the board may be an indication that that part is bad, because the laptop is off, CPU is off, nothing hot on the board. So hopefully we can see something under the thermal cam. This is the hard drive, and look at that. This chip is the only hotspot on the board, and it's most likely what is causing the problem. We do have a similar chip in stock, a chip that we used for the HP Spec X360. It's a step down regulator. We're gonna change it and see if that will solve the problem. We do not need to know where pin number 1 is, because the chip can only align in one direction. Let's apply some Amtech 559 Flux. And you can find this on our website. And let's remove the chip. Okay, so I'm gonna apply more flux and solder that chip. And the job is done. Add some flux. Okay, so if everything went well, and the problem was caused by this chip, then the laptop should work. Okay, we can clean later. Let me go ahead and test. Look at this. It's showing the orange light. Okay, so the computer is on now, and the fan is on. The fan is spinning. Look at this. The fan is spinning, and the computer is on. The computer is on. So the chip was the cause of the problem, and we were able to find the cause of the problem using the thermal cam. It would have been very difficult to find what's causing the problem if it wasn't for the thermal cam. So having a thermal cam is priceless. Honestly, it's priceless. So laptop is working and everything is good. Awesome. I'm gonna give it to Big Boss to reassemble and fix something else. شو رايك بالتصليحة؟
أول مرة طفت معك